Masquerade saying Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kari kutanga kukuya panino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchungwa garo ka subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Zimbabwe takuigira inyaya abulitswa na the former leader weBattle Citizens Coalition for Change Welshman Chamisa vabuda vachitenda ma-citizens nekumira kwavakaita during ma-fights ari kuitwa the Citizens Coalition for Change vakabuda vachipromisa ma-citizens kuti he is going to fulfill the ma-promises avakapa muri Zimbabwe. Vabuda vachitaura izvi mushure mekunge the current CCC, the interim CCC President Welshman Ncube vakabuda vachiva-criticize for undermining democratic principles the opposition, vachitaura vachiti ndizvo zvakakonzeresa current divisions arimo opposition party. The opposition party Citizens Coalition for Change vakati angona tese yakawanikwa ichisangana nema-internal turmoil mushure mekunge the self-imposed Secretary General Vasengezo Shabangu vakabuda vachirikola ma-elected officials, izvo zvakakonzeresa kuti vachamisa vaonekwa vachiresigna muri Zimbabwe. Ndofunga kubva kwaWelshman Nchamisa muBattle Citizens Coalition for Change kwakasiya party isinaomira mushe ichitambura nema-divisions ne-faction iyo yanga iri aligned to Ncube yakaassume the party leadership, while another one iri kuleadwa naJameson Timber iri kutaura iyo ichiti they remain loyal to Welshman Nchamisa. So Welshman Ncube vakabuda achitaura in an express recently since he reduced the opposition into a one-man party. Vakabuda vachitaura vachiti, when you are in the struggle for democracy, when you say you are a democratic alternative, that you govern democratically, that by definition means that you must be organized democratically yourself. When you say you are the only leader with authority over everything, you become the dear leader. You are the president and the chief spokesperson. You are the secretary general. You are the treasurer general. You direct the closure to all party accounts. You operate without any non-party accounts. There are no financial oversight procedures, mechanism. You are structureless. You have no democratic ways of making decisions at all levels. One person with runners makes all the decisions. It becomes extremely difficult. No rational person should be asked to believe that you can be completely authoritarian when the opposition, then be democratic when in government. And muri Zimbabwe ndozvakabuda zvitaurwa naWelshman Ncube vachiaccuse Welshman Nchamisa vachinzi he was not democratic, vachinzi he was everything. He was the spokesperson, he was the leader, he was the secretary general, vachinzi it was a one-man party state. Welshman Nchamisa vakabuda last year vachiaccuse ZANU-PF of infiltrating the opposition party muri Zimbabwe. So Ncube vakabuendera mberi vachitaura vachiti the decline yeparty yakakonzereswa ne-lack of political ideology muri Zimbabwe nekuleka kwema-organizational structures zvakare. So in the last parliament, BT was one of our most effective members of parliament. You might call him an old guard, but he was effective in holding the ruling party accountable. He should go back so that he can continue. And you give me the answer that God has said he should not go back. If you were to write a book about some of these things, it would pass as a book of fiction. Zvakataurwa naWelshman Ncube. Asi zvisinei vanhu vazhinji vakabuda on this space, on this X space, vachitaura ivo vachiti even though Welshman Ncube againa the party leadership, hanzi haana kugaina the leadership yemamasses, chinzi Chamisa ndiye achiri mamasses, supporters CCC vazhinji vataura vachiti they will stand with Welshman Nchamisa. Vachamisa vabuda vachikomenta on this issue vakataura ivo on his X handle. Abuda Welshman Nchamisa achitaura iye achiti, thank you Zimbabwe, fellow Zimbabweans. I can never thank you enough for all the support, spiritual, emotional, material, and political. you have given me, and to the cause of a just, prosperous, and great Zimbabwe. You will never be disappointed. Our God is faithful. May God bless you. Hashtag God is in it. Zvabuda Zvataurwa na Welshman Nchamisa vazhinji vabuda vachiratidza their support for Welshman Nchamisa. One of my Twitter users, abuda achiti, we are in it together. Stay strong. No force on earth can stop an idea whose time has come. You will prevail. The word of God in Psalms 23:5 says, you prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. My cup overflows. We speak an overflow of wisdom and divine protection over your life and your family. Another one, akabuda zvakare achitaura iye achiti, I support you. I can see your vision. I can see your heart. And yes, God is faithful to perform his promise. It may take time, but it will come to pass. For his ways are not our ways, and our thoughts are not our thoughts. We see you grow. We see you conquer, even as we see you face a mountain. Be encouraged. There may be days when hope seems lost, seems like the sun won't shine again. Hold on, hold the line, keep the faith. Yes, God is in it. Zvabuda Zvataurwa nemasupporters vaNelson Chamisa tisingazivi kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi, tiudzewo zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.
And they go to the heart of democracy. Let me just say 2 or 3 of the most important ones. The first one is when you are in a struggle for democracy, when you say you are a democratic alternative, that you will govern democratically, that by definition means that you must be organized democratically yourselves. When you then say you are the only leader with authority over everything, you become the dear leader, you are the president and chief spokesperson, you are the secretary general, you are the treasurer general, you direct the closure of all party accounts, you operate without any non-party account. There are no financial oversight procedures or mechanism. There is no accounting to anyone what money you got from whom and how you used it. You are structureless. You have no democratic ways of making decisions at all levels, from the lowest at branch level. You actually don't have a branch. One person with runners makes all the decisions. This is what we all know. This is what happened.